Today I'll be showing you a wonderful and easy recipe which you can prepare in less than 30 minutes. This is a savory tart and the tart shells can be done in a braise. So let's see. So into a large bowl I have taken 1.5 cups of plain flour, into which I am adding 1 tablespoon of milk, sugar and milk powder, 1 teaspoon, quarter teaspoon baking powder and some salt. Give it a mix. This is a short crust pastry in which you will be adding in cold butter, chilled butter, around 100 grams, and using a fork or the tip of your fingers you have to incorporate this cold butter into the flour. It would be good if you can keep the flour in the fridge before you start doing this. We want the dough to be chilled. So now here I am adding chilled water, around 1 tablespoon. You may add more if you want to. If you find it's too dry, you can add a bit more of water, like half tablespoon, until you get a dough like this. Now you are going to rest this dough in the fridge for around 20 minutes. Let it rest for the butter to relax. Okay, let the pastry relax in the fridge for around 20 minutes. Then we'll start preparing the tart shells. So here I have done 5 tart shells for this chicken filling and 6 for a sweet fruit and nut caramel filling. So here I will show you 2 methods of preparing. You can either press it out on using your thumb and your index finger, or you can roll it out like this into like 3 millimeter thickness, and here you can place your tart shells like this, and with another paper you can flip it over so that you can easily get the tart. Now you will press this dough into the shells using your thumb and using your index finger. You might guide it and you will press it down like this into the tart shells. Okay, then you will prick it like this with a fork, and into a preheated oven at 180 degrees you will bake this for around 15 to 20 minutes. For me it took around 20 minutes to get golden brown. And you can prepare these tart shells and keep it in the fridge and use it whenever you want to. These shells are very lightly sweet, not over sweet, so you can use for savory and sweet filling as well. So 5 I will be using for the creamy chicken and 6 for a sweet fruit and nut tart, caramel tart, which I will be updating next soon. So let's prepare the savory and very creamy chicken filling. So these are the ingredients. This is for 5 filling. This recipe yields 5 tarts filling. Okay, so into a pan I added olive oil, added onion, garlic and celery, then saute, added the chicken and the mushroom. You may add more mushroom or omit the chicken and use only mushroom, whichever, it's up to your liking. Then after it has sauteed well, you will make a hole in the middle, add in some plain flour and saute the flour very well into the other ingredients for around 2 minutes. Then you will add in 1 cup of milk and prepare a creamy mixture, and then you will add cream cheese. This is optional but gives a very good taste and flavor for the filling. So now add salt to taste, add more pepper powder if you want to, and our filling is done. Now these are the baked tart shells. I will fill up the tart shells with these filling. This was enough for 5 tart shells, and I will bake it again for 5 more minutes and take it out and serve it while it's still warm. So enjoy and let me know your feedbacks and comments. And this is the caramel fruit and nut tart which I'll be updating next. Thank you and take care.